This is a brand new 2014 Hyundai Azera. It has a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, Hyundai BlueLink, a multi-link rear suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a HomeLink feature, front and rear reading lights, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.